We spend a third of our life sleeping. So, if there's one room worth investing in, it's the bedroom. The ambience you create can mean the difference between sweet dreams and restless nights. Let's start with planning. I didn't want to pre-order anything before moving in because it was my first time buying. And in the UK, there's always a risk that the deal might fall apart at the very last minute. And it's literally happened to my friend. So I didn't want to take that risk and decided to sort everything out after moving in. Knowing what to prioritize and having a good plan was really important. My bedroom is about 130 square feet and comes with a wardrobe and 2 pendant lights. I quickly decided not to change them since they are still in good condition. This decision pretty much determined the floor plan. Next, I had to decide on the style I wanted. Pinterest is always my go-to for ideas. As a kid, I always wanted a princess room with drapes around my bed. Well, I've outgrown the drapes idea, but I still want my bedroom to feel girly, dreamy, and modern all at once. The right color palette is key for setting the mood in your bedroom. I went with soft, neutral tones with a few floral accents to keep it serene and calming. I've been enjoying this process a lot because I don't have to consider anyone else's opinion. I can just decide exactly how I want it. I use Mila notes to keep track of my mood board, shortlisted furniture, and color schemes, all in one place. It was a lifesaver because staying organized makes decorating and decision making so much easier. Comment below if you want a tutorial on how I set that up. If you're moving into a new place without any furniture, I highly recommend getting an airbed while you sort things out. You'll thank me later. It took about 2 weeks to schedule a carpenter to measure, order, and replace the carpet. I used that time to order my bedroom furniture. I went for a king-size bed, but later I discovered UK bed sizes are actually narrower than those in Asia and the US. Lesson learned. Always double-check the dimensions before making any big purchases. The bed frame arrived quickly, and I was lucky enough to have my friends help me assemble it. It is such a big task, and it would have been really difficult to do it all on my own. Thank you, Samson. I invested in a good mattress and a memory foam pillow to make sure I got a restful sleep. I sleep so much better now and my neck pain disappeared. For the pillowcase, I chose Little Silk, which is super soft and great for your hair and skin. It costs a bit more and requires extra care, but it's definitely worth it. These floating bedside tables didn't fit the vibe I wanted. I decided to get rid of them. Plus, I'm not a fan of drilling into the walls because I always love the flexibility to change my mind. Now, the wall behind the bed felt a bit bland since it was the same color as the bed, so I painted it a soft gray to add some contrast. I won't lie, painting after replacing the carpets and having the bed wasn't the best idea. But as part of the design process, trial and error. It's not about making the perfect decisions, it's about making the decisions work for you. I chose closed storage bedside tables to hide the clutter and keep things looking neat. I also found some cute floral handles from Zara Home, so I swapped them in to match my theme. The original light bulbs had this industrial vibe that didn't match my vision. I softened them with white origami style lampshades. They also looked more feminine now. I wanted to add more artwork to really personalize the room. When I found this Disney 100 poster, I just knew it had to be part of my bedroom. I feel very happy and motivated every time I look at it. I also experiment with texture art for the space above my bed. And it turned out perfect. For the bedside tables, I wanted them to be practical but also cute. On the right side, I set up my Alexa. It's my alarm so that I can keep my phone out of my bedroom. I also added some cute decor and a candle to bring in extra coziness. The air purifier keeps the air fresh and circulated. On the left side, I placed a vase that's a souvenir from Marrakech, a ceramic oil burner, some aroma oils and flowers I picked up in Chiang Mai. These little pieces from my travels make the room feel so much more personal. This plant is my first propagated baby and is thriving. It adds such a lively touch. And finally, what's a dreamy bedroom without a little touch of Paris? Welcome to my cozy, dreamy bedroom. Wanted to see how I transform my living room? Check out this video next.